What is spooking the market right now is US consumer prices, which have risen about 0.3% sequentially in June, 3.5% year on year. And a lot of economists, market watchers now suggesting that a bit of that impact of the higher tariffs is coming through and coming to bite on that inflation print. Consumer prices had risen only about 0.1% in May, remember. Coffee, audio equipment, home furnishings, these are categories in that basket that saw double-digit rises in prices in the month of June. This was in line with expectations, but the focus is on the upside risk going forward, as a result of which the US Treasury yields spiked on the anticipation of a delay in the rate cuts going forward. The 10-year Treasury yield is now within touching distance of 4.5%, and the 30-year Treasury yield is back above 5%. On to the Trump tracker and what President Donald Trump has said. He said that Scott Bessent could be a candidate for Fed chair, but in that same sentence, he said, no, wait a minute, he's currently Treasury Secretary, and I'm happy with what he's doing right now. So essentially, he's amplifying the pressure, if you will, on Jerome Powell, who he has asked to resign. There's also a statement that he made on Pharma and tariffs on Pharma. Listen in.
The end of the month, and we're going to start off with a low tariff and give the pharmaceutical companies a year or so to build, and then we're going to make it a very high tariff because we got to move them in. Look, there's two ways you do it. You make money or you have them move here so they don't have to pay the tariff. Those are the two ways. The pharmaceutical companies are moving back to America where they should be.
Speaking of tariffs, Donald Trump has also indicated that he would levy significant tariffs on Russia. Very severe tariffs is what he said if Moscow does not end the war with Ukraine in 50 days. He said that that threat also includes secondary tariffs on those countries that buy oil from Russia, and that includes India. Brent crude prices, however, remained benign and are currently below $69 to the barrel, with a lot of market watchers perhaps betting on that taco trade and the fact that a lot of these things might just reverse.